looking into this. Who
Send
also
them the request. I'm okay. If you want to call them now, you can call them. I can wait for 5-10 minutes. I'm okay.
yeah, maybe the next class I will make them available and then make the platform set so that they are
Because
on the
then,
same page.
no. Reason why I told you is we would have started now. Again, going back would be
No,
an.
this recording I will share to them so
Ah,
that the first sex, so that they can join from the second session.
okay. Done.
Yeah, yeah,
So we started the first one.
yeah. So in my book, wherever I am referring to, it is like it started with some Mangalacharanam, and then it goes to Brahmanishta Mahatvam, something like
Yeah. That's the same. No,
same. Yeah.
any book you take, it will be same.
Okay. So it says like this: Nanditani Digantani Yasyanandam Bubinduna Purnanandam Prabhum Vande Swanam Daikaswaruprinam. Then the Mangalacharanam is like this: Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Gocharam Tamagocharam Govindam Paramanandam Sadgurum Pranatosyaham.
Yes, the same one.
Okay. So,
So
yeah.
you go ahead.
So it's what I understand is Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Gocharam. So whatever we see as the Siddhanta or the philosophy of all the Vedas, Tamagocharam, uh, Govindam Paramanandam Sadgurum Pranatosmyaham. It
Yeah.
so it says something Paramanandam, something about it.
Hmm.
Uh, so what actually it means?
Yeah, I will recite and explain. Don't worry.
Yeah, sure, please.
Okay.
I'm not
Start
that
with
convenient or well versed with Sanskrit language, so breaking it up and then getting the Pratipada Ardham
yes.
uh, is little tough.
Okay. Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta. Sarva means all. Vedanta is Upanishad.
Yeah,
So it's called as Prasthanatraya.
Prasthanatraya. Okay.
Have you heard about it?
Yeah, Prasthanatrayam. I heard this word.
So this is Upanishad, Brahma Sutra, and Bhagavad Gita.
Okay. Upanishad, Brahma Sutra, and yeah.
And what is the meaning of Prasthana?
Prasthanam is how our life goes, right?
No,
No.
no.
Prasthanam is how this it went. No.
What
Or
a
or the
what a
Prasthanam. Prasthanam, okay. Prasthanam is the way of life, or maybe, yeah. I didn't know.
what is Thana?
Sthanam. Sthanam is the location,
Place.
place,
Yes,
yeah.
location, place.
Yeah.
Pra is Pradarshena,
Okay.
extensive. A location which will give you that stability.
Okay.
So Prasthana Traya, three, which will give you complete stability.
Okay.
So Vedanta is something which will give you stability from unstable to stability.
Hmm.
Life is unstable. It will provide you stability. So Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta.
Yeah.
What is Siddhanta?
Siddhanta is the Siddhanta is philosophy,
Plus,
or
there are four things. So when you start, you are called as Pamara.
yeah,
Heard about that word?
yeah,
Pamara?
Pamara, yeah.
Pamara means just
Who
start.
doesn't have, yeah, who doesn't have the knowledge or something like that?
Then comes Vishayi,
Machine, okay.
person who knows some information.
Hmm.
He's a worldly person but has some information, some inclination, some interest.
Okay.
Then comes Sadhaka,
Sadhaka.
one who is trying to see what the truth is. So he is having a burning desire to do that.
Okay.
Then comes Siddha,
Siddha.
one who is
Okay.
achieved, established. Siddha Anta. Anta is ending. Established, and who will end? What will end? Samsara will end.
Mm.
It's so deep, actually.
Okay.
Okay. So Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Gocharam Tam Agocharam. This is a very tricky word. Gochara means what can be perceived. Tam Agocharam, that which cannot be perceived.
Oh, Tamagocharam is that cannot be perceived. Okay.
Agochara means cannot be perceived. That
Yeah.
is perceived.
Yeah.
Okay. Now he is saying with what it can be perceived. That Govindam Paramanandam. Now what is Govinda?
Govinda. Govinda is Lord Govinda.
There is a meaning. There is nothing called Lord in any of the Upanishad at all.
Okay. Govinda means who will help us attain Govinda Govinda when we recite.
What
Leave
we
us, yeah, get us the vimukti, something like that.
it is Go, G-O-U, Gau plus Win, Va plus Inda, Govind.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Gau means like a cow. Okay. Attribute of the cow is innocence. Who is innocent?
In a sense, are we?
Consciousness is innocent.
Sorry, you will ask?
Consciousness is innocent.
Innocent. Okay.
Why is consciousness innocent? Because it doesn't care who is there. Example, as the sun shines, it shines on the weed, it will shine on the tulsi also. It doesn't distinguish between I will not allow the weed to grow and I will only allow tulsi to grow. It will give light on both.
Okay.
It doesn't distinguish.
Hmm.
Va. Va means one which is complete. Then Inda, with whom this is possible. Whoever that, this kind of thing is possible. That means one who can get fullness, one who is innocent, and one with whom this is possible. That source is called Govinda.
Mm-hmm.
Once you see that, it is Paramananda.
Okay.
Ananda is bliss. What is Ananda? Sleep is Ananda. Better way to put it in layman language is deep sleep is Ananda. You are Ananda, having Ananda, right?
Hmm.
When you
Yeah.
have a good sleep, you are in Ananda.
Yeah.
That amount of sleep where you did not have any thoughts, any emotions, any contact, any relationship, nothing was there. That is Ananda. Paramanandam means not only during sleep, all the time. That Govinda, who is innocent, is complete, and with him, with whom this is possible, what he is going to do? He is going to make him a Sadguru. Sat plus Guru becomes Sadguru. Sat, Chit, Ananda. That Sat, that existence, where it only exists, and that Guru, Gu plus Ru, Gu is darkness, Ru is light. One who shows the path in a way that it can turn from darkness to light.
Okay.
To that, Pranatosmyaham, aham, myself, Pranato. Prana is surrender. Pranato, complete surrender. Pranato smyaham, I now surrender.
Surrender.
Who is this I? The mind.
Okay.
Okay, so mind is recognizing that Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta, everything what is indicated in the Upanishad,
Yeah.
Shad is to clean, Upa is near. So if you want a meaning of Upanishad, Upa is near and Shad is to shake.
Mm-hmm.
So you're shaking your basic assumption of life.
Okay.
That I exist, now I know I don't exist. What exists is consciousness. So through that I go. His mind is going.
Mm.
This is what is the first verse or sloka.
Yeah.
It's deep. It's not what is written in whichever book you read, they'll just give some superficial meaning.
Yeah. Yeah. The this is more of a this is from the Gita Press. Gita Press Gorakhpur. It is the translated version into Telugu. So
Mm.
whoever translated, he written in such a way that I bow down to the who is Sadguru, who is Govinda, so that I get the lightning enlightenment. Something like it is given more of a in bhakti way. That's what I understand.
Correct.
Not from the Pratipadardham and then coming from the actual intent. This is more from the bhakti way. Yeah.
Correct. So that is the problem. Shankara never approached on a bhakti side. He was from a jnana marga.
Mm, mm,
So any book if you read, and if we read without knowing the actual meaning and also experiencing it,
mm.
you will not be able to get the what Shankara wanted to say. See, with that word, that I want to go to my teacher Govinda, who will teach me enlightenment. The question come how? Because we are now making an individualization. Govinda becomes an individual.
Mm.
Sadguru also becomes an individual. If you have, if we get this individuality, then it becomes personification. The ego will catch it up again. The idea is to remove the ego, but what will happen is we catch up with that self identity again comes back.
Okay.
So we will not be able to get liberated.
Mm.
That's all. So let's go further.
Yeah, sure. Then it says Brahmanista Mahatvamu.
No, I have only that one only.
Yeah.
Sarva.
Yeah. Then next one is about Jantunam Narajanma Durlabhat.
That's one.
Yeah,
Perfect.
but they just give some heading, Brahmanista Mahatvam. So the earlier one was under the subheading of Mangalacharanam.
Correct.
Under that verse was there. Then the next subheading is Brahmanista Mahatvam.
Okay.
Under that it is like this: Jantunam Narajanma Durlabhamataha Pumstvam Tato Viprata Tasmadvaidi Karma Tasmadvaidika Dharma Marga Parata Vidvat Vidvatvam Smatparam. Sorry, my reading is not that great. Please excuse me for that.
No
Then
problem.
Atmanatma Vivechanam Swanubhavo Brahmatmana Samstitihi Muktirno Satakoti Janmasu Krutai Punyer Vinalabhyate. So this is there are 4 stanzas in this. In the
Yeah,
second.
correct. So we'll start. Jantu. Jantuna. Have you heard about Jantu?
Jantu is animal.
No.
No.
J plus Anta. Jantu. Ja is birth.
Birth.
Who
Uh-huh.
has end?
Okay.
Anta. Anta. Jantu. So ja plus anta plus u, jantu.
Okay. So which has a death.
Has a definitive birth and a definitive end.
Definitive end. Okay.
Yeah. It's got nothing to do with animal or bird or this or that.
Okay. Interesting. Excellent. This. Yeah.
Okay. U, what is U? Continuity.
Okay.
It continues itself with again with birth. It's
Hmm.
like Jantu Naam. So Jantu Naam. Naam means who will keep on rotating like that.
Okay.
Nara Janma Durlabham. Now the question comes, what is Nara?
Nara. Nara is Narulu. I mean, we use generally Narulu are the humans.
Nara is nothing but nerves. One who have nerves. What is this nerve? Nerve in Vedic is the Sushumna Nadi.
Mm-hmm.
This is the only person or the only being which has Ida, Pingala, Sushumna. That Nadi is what he's talking about as Nara. And you have Narayana also for that same reason. One who will bestow the energy to move from a central channel.
Okay.
Okay, that the consciousness will go from the central channel.
What is the center channel when you indicated when you mentioned center channel?
There are concept, not concept, it is you have 72,000 nadis.
72,000.
Yeah, 72,000 nadis. All off ಮಾಡೋ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಟಚ್ ಒನ್ ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಫ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸೊ you have 72,000 nadis and 36,000 on one side and 36,000 on the other side.
Okay.
We also have Naramendra. That is Nara, that is nerves, nerve centers. So one who has nerves across, aligned in a straight line. Maybe we are able to stand erect. The body stands erect. For everybody else, the body stands facing not, yeah, their body stands facing the sun. We
Yeah.
are the only people who can stand erect. So it is called a Tricha Yoni. All those beings are called Tricha Yoni, and we are called as Manava or Nara.
Mm.
The reason being that you have energy moving from Ida Pingala to the Sushumna channel. So when you do meditation, it will automatically shift. The Ida Pingala shifts itself, and then energy starts moving into the Sushumna Nadi.
Okay.
Once you start with the Sushumna Nadi, your mind gets tranquil, gets calm.
Mm-hmm.
So that changing and that stability is only possible in human.
Okay.
Even though we have birth and death,
Mm.
and again a possibility of rebirth, still Nara Janma Durlabham, erectness, spinal cord erectness is Durlabha. Why? Because Raga, Dvesha, Moha are in equal quantity in all animals and birds and insects and all kind what we can see.
Okay.
Only in the case of humans, it is slightly changed.
Mm.
So some people will have a good amount of raga but less amount of dvesha. Some people have more amount of dvesha, less amount of raga. Some people have less amount of moha but more amount. So it keeps on changing. Depending upon the punya created by that individual, the person is born as a human
Okay.
or narajanma, where he can purify the nadi.
Mm-hmm.
But
Yeah.
if the nadis are purified, both health-wise, spiritual-wise, he'll get complete liberation from this cycle of birth and death.
Okay.
Now, what it means? Human life is a transitory phase. From this place, you can go up or you can go down.
Mm-hmm.
Now, what is this up and down? Up is a state when you can go till the Brahma levels of existence. In one of the Vivek, in one of the sloka, as we go, Shankaracharya says that from the lowest to the highest is only birth and death.
Okay.
We'll see when it comes, but right now let us not break our head. But we need to understand how this nara will work. Even though the nara is also there, the nerves or centers are there in animal, but they are not developed. They cannot purify. So what really happens is they have four things: they eat, they sleep, they breed, they fear. All, including humans. But human has the ability to find out what to do, what not to do. That viveka is there.
Okay.
And that is the reason it's called as manushya. Manah ursha. Urshatva. Urshatva means elevated.
Okay.
So once the mind is once the mind is elevated, that person can use viveka. Anju, it's a door ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ ಇದು. So that is the whole idea.
Okay.
Now this Nara has the ability to move up. So then it comes to Deva worlds. There are many Deva worlds. Then you have Brahma Loka. So this human being has an ability to become Brahma
Mm.
due to the Punya Phala. Got the point?
Yeah.
So this is like a transition. So you can go up, you can go down, but you cannot stay as a human for a long time.
Sure.
So he's saying Narajanma Durlabam Ataha Pumsatvam. That too, Pumsatvam. Tvam, you. Pumsa. What is Pum? Pum means one which can generate life.
One who can?
Which can generate life.
Oh, generate life. Okay.
You and I can generate life.
Okay.
My wife and your wife cannot generate any life. Now how? Let's understand that. Every 12th or 14th day, they go for menstrual period.
Yeah.
I mean, 14th day, the egg comes and then it drops. So the energy is removed. They cannot generate anything. They can hold, but they cannot generate.
Mm.
They can bear a child, but they cannot create a child.
Okay.
That facility is there only with you and with me. Because we are Pumsa.
Mm.
Those beings, those humans who are Pumsa, has an ability to liberate. Those who don't have Pumsatva, they cannot liberate.
Oh.
That's how it is.
Yeah, I didn't know this so far.
And that's it. Shankaracharya is not a mad person to put that.
Yeah.
And he has put that too. Ataha. That too. So he's saying Pumstvam. Why manhood? Because man can create.
And can
Create.
create. Yeah.
Because the sperms have life. Egg doesn't have any life. One thing. Do you menstruate? No.
No.
Even at 70, you can still generate life. Woman at 50 cannot even have an egg.
Mm.
It's gone. So she cannot do anything.
Mm.
It's not that it's something wrong of being a woman, but we need to know how woman happen.
Hmm.
First state. There are 7 stages to become a woman. First state is a perfect man. Like you and me, we have body, masculine voice, all that. For some reason, some people feel that being a woman is good thing. Maybe for whatever reason.
Okay.
So in the second life, if they were to keep on mentally reciting that like a mantra, that I think I should be a woman in my next life, it is good for me, for whatever reason. Then the second life, that person will be born still as a man, but he will have the characteristics of a woman.
Mm-hmm.
Voice will be like a girl, or the walking itself will be like a girl. And his association will be with mostly with girls. He doesn't gel well with men.
Okay.
That is second. In the third, he will have one of the, what I can say, attributes of a woman. He loves having long hair,
Okay.
and he would like to present himself like a woman. He will wear earrings.
Excuse
Another,
me.
that's okay. So then he will start to decorate his body. Along with that, his hairs on the body will not be there. Not much.
Okay.
Third state. Fourth state. In the fourth state, he will develop breasts, but still a male.
Mm.
It looks like feminine, but not really feminine. And his voice is now feminine. Okay. And he loves the company of women and starts to feel that he should go for a transgender operation and this and that. So that thoughts will be there more and more. In the fifth state, the penis will withdraw little, and where the testicles are, that will be created as a vagina.
Okay.
But he cannot reproduce because there is no uterus, nor he has any sperm
Mm.
to do that. In the sixth state, he will not have the male organ, he will have a female organ, but will be looking like a male.
Mm-hmm.
In the seventh state, he will be a perfectly functional woman.
Okay.
So 7 stages. 7 lives. It will take transform from Pumsa to Napumsa. Now, once Napumsa cannot become Pumsa at all.
Oh,
Over.
then what after Napumsa?
What after what?
After Napumsa?
Napumsa is three.
Yeah.
What we call Stri is nothing but Napumsa.
Okay. Now, how to liberate? How to, if at all, for Sri?
For them, what will happen is that they have to get liberated from the human life, from womb life. In the very life, they can do that.
Okay.
It's like my wife, your wife, any woman. They don't have to come back to this womb existence. But they'll be born as a deva, where the gender will get changed.
Okay.
Then they have to practice and get liberated.
So that's the cycle.
If they can't practice, they'll again come back as human being as a pumsa.
Okay.
Then again start. See, longing to become a woman is mahat papa.
Hmm.
And that's the reason why we are all here.
Okay.
The more we associate with women, the worse it is going to be. So that's what Shankara is saying. Ata pumtvam tataha viprataha viprata. Maybe you will be born as a human, but you will have rajasic and tamasic tendency only. Getting the sattvic is rarest of the rarest.
No.
Right at present, we are tamasic and rajasic. So I'll give you the what it means. Tamasic means very lazy, totally lost in whatever he or she is doing, then worried about future, majorly looking at how to accumulate and all that is tamasic tendency.
Okay.
Rajasic tendency is getting excited about everything. So I want to do this, I want to be this, I want to beat that person, okay, I want to come first, I want to possess. All of that is Rajasic. Sattvic is purity. So if you compare between Sattva and Tamas, they both look the same. One
Okay.
is light and one is heavy. One is towards purity, one is towards impurity.
Okay.
So all of us have little bit of Sattvic. If we were to look at it, maybe ration shop. So we've been given 5 kgs of Sattvic, 100 kgs of Rajasic, and 200 kgs of Tamasic.
Okay.
Or in some people case, 200 kgs of Rajasic and 100 kgs of Tamasic.
Come on.
So basically, we work in these two dimensions only. Sattva is not there. So he's saying, Tatha Viprata, Vipra means Brahmana. One who has ability to see Brahman is the person who should be sattvic.
For one who seeks for the Brahman should be sattvic. Okay.
Otherwise, he cannot see. He cannot understand. The ignorance, see, the tamasic is always towards ignorance. The sattvic is always towards knowledge.
Yeah.
Now, what is this ignorance and what is knowledge? So let's understand that correctly.
Yeah.
Ignorance that you are not the person.
I am not the person. That is ignorance.
Yes. You always feel I am Srihari.
Okay.
Never you will feel you are not Srihari. Never even one day you will feel that you are not Srihari. Never one day I will feel I am not Vilas. I feel I am Vilas all the time. And since Vilas exists, Vilas has to be secured. So we look at financial security, we look at emotional security. Two securities.
Yeah.
That's all we look at. Financial security, work, buy something, buy home, buy site, buy car, buy this, buy that. Make as much material comforts as possible. Emotional security, have friends, have relatives, have wife, have children, have this, have that, and make as much of emotional security as possible. That is the aspect of tamas. And slowness. If somebody were to say, hey boss, liberate yourself, he says that, yeah, I want to liberate after my son settles down. It's not an age for me to get into this. Okay. Now, what do you mean by settling down? No, my son has to marry and he has to stay. Okay, great. Your son is married. Why don't you now go and do it? He says that, no, my grandson, I have not seen him. At least I have to see the grandson. What is life without a grandson? Okay, now you have a grandson. No, you know what? I am playing with my grandson. There's a lot of time. Let me play with my grandson. So he always feels there is lot of time for liberation. So this procrastination, or what we can say alasya, is part of tamas.
Okay.
Aspect of rajas is to worry for everything. And get excited of good thing, excited of bad thing. This person is excited, anxious, excited. So Shankara is warning, tata viprata, not first one. Tasmad Vaidika Dharma. Okay, now you have got sattvic life, agreed. But then Tasmad Vaidika Dharma. Now this is where people go wrong in Vaidika Dharma. They talk about Brahmana. They are not. He is not talking about Brahmana here. He is talking about staying as a Vedic person. And he says, first listen to me what I am saying on Vaidika. Marga Parata Vidvatvam Asmat Param. Marga Parata, correct path. Vidvatvam, Vidvat, pure knowledge. Asmat Param is extremely rare. It's Param, it's the best, but not possible. People will come, they will give you wrong information and they say this is the right one, and you follow. Atma Anatma Vivechanam. They will call Anatma as Atma and Atma as Anatma. But you discriminating between Atma and Anatma, Swanubhavaha, Brahmatmanah Samstitaha, Atma Anatma Vivechanam. Vivechana is inquiry. Swanubhavaha, self-experiencing it. Brahmatmana, establishing in Brahman. Samstitaha. What of those people who cannot do it? Samstiti. Stiti is establishing. Samstiti means completely establishing all the time. Muktirno shata janma koti sukritaihi punyair vina labhyate. Yes, thus muktir, liberation, shata janma koti sukritaihi. Shata 100, Janma, births, Koti, crores, Sukritaihi, Sukrata, Sukruta, Su plus Kruta. Kruta is deeds. Su is good, good deeds. Punyair vina labhyate. Without that punya, not possible. So what he's saying is, yeah, go ahead.
So the whole indication is that in the second line when it says about Vaidika Dharma Marka Parata Vidvat Tvam Asmat
Asmat
Param.
param.
So the Vaidika Dharma Marga, or who goes in that Marga, uh, they will get distracted. Is that what it means?
Yes, you get distracted
Okay,
because they get into circling.
okay.
There is Vaidika Vidhi. That's called Karma Kanda.
Ah,
99.99% we believe in Vaidika Vidhi.
yeah.
They do rituals.
Hmm.
So he says you'll get into that.
Okay. So with Atma and Atma Vivechanam, Swanubhavo Brahmatmana Samsthitihi, Muktirno Satakoti Janma Sukrutai, Punyair Vina Labhyate.
Yes,
So unless we gain the punyam with Satakoti Janma Krutam, Sukrutam,
correct.
okay, we will not get in the liberation.
Because all the time, in all the births, you will get people who will dislodge you from the right path.
Okay.
That is a problem.
Hmm.
So I will tell you what all is going to happen. So it becomes easy. Okay, there are four volumes of Viveka Chudamani. Okay, what we are presently reciting is the first volume.
Okay.
In that, Nara Janma Pumsatvam Viprata Vaidika Dharma Marga Vidvatvam, these topics are the basics.
Uh-huh.
That is covered in part 1 from verse number 1 to verse number 66.
66. Okay.
Part 2 starts with Shravana,
Hmm.
67 to 146.
Okay.
Vivechana.
Hmm.
Vivechana means inquiry.
Okay.
So you will start with Shravana. Shravana means to understand by reciting, just like what we both are doing. This is Shravana Marga.
Mm-hmm.
Then comes part 3, which is starting from 147 to 224 verses.
Okay.
It's again Vivechana, inquiry, but then now it will move from Manana. You are yourself mentally doing it.
Okay.
So Shankaracharya will teach from 147 to 224 how to do manana of what you
Hmm.
have learned.
Okay.
Then from 225 to 266,
Mm-hmm.
he will tell you what is Brahmat, Brahmat, Brahmatmana, Brahmatmana, Mana, mind, established in Brahman, how it would be. Brahmatmana, that is 225 to 266, which is starting with Nididhyasana, practice.
Okay.
Okay. 1 minute. That girl is asking me something.
Yeah.
Okay. She is doing her PhD. She is saying that today it's not possible. I said, good. She wants it on 21st. So we can continue
Yeah.
for till whatever time you want.
Yeah.
Okay. So 225 to 66 is Brahmatmana samstitaha. Samstita. Samastiti. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Equipoise. In English, if I were to put
What is it in English?
equipoise.
Equipoise. Okay.
Equanimity.
Okay.
Then part 5 starts from 267 to 341. Brahmatmanaha samstitaha. You will first time see Savikalpa Samadhi.
Okay.
You will experience.
Mm-hmm.
Then part 6, we will talk about 342 to 425. Brahmatmana samstitaha nirvikalpa samadhi.
Okay.
Then part 7, 426 to 479. Muktihi no shata janma koti. He'll explain what it means by mukti in 426 to 479.
Okay.
How will you come to know that whether you have attained mukti or not?
Mm-hmm.
Part 8, 480 to 520, Swanubhavaha. This is the feedback given by the student to the Guru
Okay.
on what they felt. 521 to 581, Part 9, Sukritaihi Punyair. That is the concluding verses of Shankara in saying this is what is called as establishing in Brahman, for
Mm-hmm.
which you had done this punya.
Okay.
So this is the outline.
Mm.
That's the reason it is like that. So much of things are there.
Mm-hmm. So this particular the second phrase that we the second one that we so this gives the whole intent
It is
of
the content,
the content.
table of contents.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
What you should expect.
Okay.
So if we were to see 1 to 6, why you are born as a human, what you are supposed to do, what is the meaning of a Vedic way of life, Vaidika
Mm-hmm.
Dharma Marga, and Vidvatvam means what? Okay. Second, 67 to 146 teaches about Vivechana, starting with Shravana. 147 to 224, Manana. 225 to 266, establishing in Brahmatmana Samstitaha. Nididhyasana starts from there. It will be a personal effort to remove all impressions, which is called as Vasana.
Okay.
Then 267 to 341, Brahmatmana Samstitaha Savikalpa Samadhi. 342 to 425, Brahmatmanaha Nirvikalpa Samadhi. So then 426 to 479, Muktihi, liberation. 480 to 520, Swanubhavaha, how did I experience, which is the feedback. 521 to 581, Sukritair Punyair is how did I attain.
Okay.
So Viveka Chudamani is 581 verses total.
Yeah. Very nice.
See, we are still in the second one.
Yeah.
1 hour.
I think this will take an year.
Okay. If we were get liberated, 1 year is good.
Yeah. Yeah. I think Content wise, unless we get into the inner details. Uh,
So shall we start? First one.
yes, sure. At least we will start with the first one.
Yes, so now he will look at the grace. So we'll
Yeah.
start with the Durlabham Trayam Eva Tat. So Durlabham Trayam, three things are rare. Deva Anugraha Hetukam, that is Deva Anugraha, that is God blessing that soul, is Durlabha. Manushyatvam Mumukshatvam. Yeah, this is what I wanted to tell you about Manushya. Mana Urshatva is Manushya. Ursha means elevated. One whose mind is elevated. What do I mean? There would be human beings who are born as animals. A body is a human. Can you not see them?
Body is human
Mind is animal.
and possible. Yes.
You can see, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
There would be people who are devas but born as human. Can you not see?
Yeah. We can see.
There are people who are born as Manushya but are ignorant. Can you see?
Yes.
And there are only few Manushya who know that they are Manushya.
Hmm.
That is rare. In this life, if you come to know you are a Manushya itself is Urshatva. That means you have ability to go up. Those Deva who came to human realm of existence, they had Papa Phala more than Punya Phala, so they are now in human. Those animals who are now as humans, their Punya Phala increased, so they moved from animal realm to human realm. But the basic mind has remained the same. So
Okay.
at the end of the human life, this Deva again goes back and establishes himself as a Deva.
Mm-hmm.
I'll give you an analogy. It becomes very easy for you. 1 year of human is 310 days for a Paraloka or Pitruloka,
Okay.
approximately a year. So if you're doing a Pitru Karya for every year, you are only doing for 1 day. Fix them for a 1 day. So if you're doing for 100 years, it is 100 days.
Okay.
Now, if you are a deva in a sensual realm of existence like human, one human, one human year is 5 minutes of that.
5 minutes of.
Their
Oh.
life
Okay.
is just 5 minutes. 1 year of us,
Is 5 minutes of Deva.
Deva. One.
Okay.
So just imagine if they were to live for 100 years, how many years they would have stayed as a deva.
Yeah.
Then if you take Brahma, it is not even minutes, it's seconds.
Hmm.
1 full year of human life is just seconds, or rather milliseconds. It's not even seconds, milliseconds. Because if you go to Indra Loka, Indra is 1 year equals around 40 minutes only.
Okay.
That's what it is. They have a long life and they
Okay.
don't have to eat. They just survive on Amrita.
Hmm.
And that is given when they land there, finished, that's all. There is no searching for food or anything. It is totally blissful life. No working anywhere, no doing anything. No hard labor. No labor at all. Forget hard.
Hmm.
But that is Sukrutai Punya. That means they have done so much of Punya that they are staying there. Now, human life has both. You have Karpanya, which is the pains, or Sukha and Dukkha. You get both. In the animal life, they get only Dukkha. They don't have anything called as Sukha. Why? Because they always have to food. They have to search for food.
Yeah.
Okay. They have to sleep, which is rare. You see, none of the animals can sleep peacefully.
Yeah. Yeah.
They have to fear what is going to happen to their life and greed. Four things.
Hmm.
So what he's saying is, you should have Devanugraha to get to human life in the first place.
Mm-hmm.
And human Manushyatvam. Just Manushya life is not going to satisfy, sir. Sorry. You have finished your karma of the animal and you are born as a human. Okay, welcome. But your mind is animal. So you will go back to animal after this birth. It's always there is always a continuity.
Hmm.
Deva, they have come to human level. They have created a lot of papa phala. Not in, as a deva, but they had prepared papa and punya, and the punya got exhausted, so that brought them into human level.
Okay.
They can go further down. They accumulate more of papa.
Hmm.
In order not to have these two, Devanugraha is required. And Manushatva is required. Mana Urshatva becomes Manushatva. Then he says, okay, you have become a Manushya. Okay, your Manaha is Urshatva. You are very peace abiding person. You are not harming anyone, you are not hurting anyone. But still, Mumukshatva is not there. Yearning for liberation is not there. Then it is of no use. Mahapurusha, Mahapurusha Samshritaha. Mahapurusha. Purusha is a normal being. Mahapurusha is one who has realized the truth.
Okay.
Samshritaha is of that elevated person. And he says, this is rarest. What are that? Deva, Manushyatva, that means Devanugraha should be there to find yourself to be having Manushyatva, yearning for liberation, and getting a Mahapurusha in this life who will show you how to liberate. You might get one, but not get the other two. You might get two, but not the other one. You might get that, but not the other two ones.
So all three aspects are needed to attain the liberation.
Correct.
Like Devanugraha, then Manushyatvam.
No,
Also,
Devanugraha is required for these three.
for which three?
For these three. Manushyatva,
Sattva?
Mumukshatva, Mahapurusha, Mahapurusha Samsritaha. These three.
Okay.
For these three, Devanugraha is required.
Okay.
I was thinking Devanugraha itself is a rarity, but it's not. He's saying to get these three is rarity because Devanugraha is required.
Okay. Yeah.
So if you read that clearly, Durlabam Trayam Eva Tad. Eva Etad. Etad this.
Ah.
What? Devanugraha Hetukam. That is, Hetukam means cause.
Hmm.
It is the cause. The cause for these three to work is Devanugraha.
Okay.
Which three? Manushyatvam, Mumukshatvam, Mahapurusha, Samsrayaha.
Mahapur
Ashraya.
Mahapurusha Samsraya means to get associated with the people who has the knowledge. Okay.
Who have completed the journey.
Okay.
Not you might meet somebody who has completed the journey.
Okay.
That is rare. Because Ashrayaha, what it says? Samshrayaha. Shraya. Shraya means Shreyas. It is going to be good. And he gives you that Ashraya, meaning he'll give you that support.
Okay.
If you find a Mahapurusha, then he will give you that required support. So shall we go next or what do you want?
Yeah. Maybe we'll take a break here. Um,
Okay,
yeah.
you have too much.
Yeah. Too much for sure because lot of uh, lot of things which are
I
getting
can go on
clear.
like this. I have no problem.
Yeah. 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 No. No. I think I will take a break here because
Yes.
I will try to reiterate the video and then so that I really get into them
What do you
furthermore.
want? Daily dose or weekly
Mm-hmm.
dose? If you do, it will take years.
Yeah, not weekly, maybe at least I don't want to put a like a target of number of slokas per day or something like that because that is not the intention.
No, no, no. Don't go by the sloka.
Yeah,
I'll, if I could recommend, we'll do it every day 1 hour.
sure, sure, works. Yeah,
Because that is the best way. Even if we
yeah,
cover one shloka is also fine.
sure, yeah.
Idea is to experience.
Mm, mm.
So what is this space is okay?
Yeah, this space is very much fine.
Because when we go further, we will sit and experience.
Sure,
That is the best thing rather than this, what I can say,
this concept, theoretical concept.
technical concept where we'll finish 581 also.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Okay,
Okay. So you can call your friends. I have no problem.
yeah, sure.
Another thing what we can do is we can do an YouTube live.
What is that about?
YouTube live.
YouTube live.
Yeah, live. We can
Live,
do a
okay. Uh-huh.
advantage of that is we don't have to record.
Okay,
So we can do it on YouTube. You can do it using we like all seeing and doing it. That is one way, or only audio.
okay. Mm, mm.
Another way.
Okay,
That's an advantage because then we can upload it. It will be uploaded on YouTube, and people can share.
super, super. Maybe I will explore that how to do it.
No, no, I know how to do it. I keep
Oh,
on
so,
doing it for abroad. So there is
uh-huh.
need that you also, if you want to search, you can search. Or if you have a Gmail account, what you need to do is you need to click on YouTube. Okay, there's something called as YouTube Live. You click on that, and it will start recording.
Okay. Hmm.
So whatever we are seeing, your camera will get on, and then from there, it will upload to YouTube.
Okay, okay.
That's the advantage. So at the end of every session, you can share it with people.
Uh-huh. So how can I see your YouTube? I mean, you're like broadcasting.
Yes.
Okay, and then I get the notification.
Yes.
Okay.
So
Mhm.
what would happen here is that the only problem here, I have to do it, you can't do it. And
Yeah.
the thing is that for asking question, we have to chat.
Time. Okay. Mm.
We can have this Microsoft Teams also.
Okay.
Okay, and no audio or anything is enabled.
Mm.
You can just chat. You can ask me question. Reading that, I can answer.
Okay.
And even in the YouTube also, you have discussion
Chat.
forum. So
Yeah,
the
yeah.
person can ask question there.
Uh,
That
Sure.
would be advantage. So tomorrow we are meeting or no?
Yeah. Tomorrow also will continue.
Okay, same time.
Yeah, same time. Yeah.
Okay, all right. So by then you let me know if your friends are also joining.
Sure. Ola.
Okay, all right.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah. Bye.